2.5 weeks after returning from Bali, we jumped a flight south to tick off one of our goals for the year, a new continent. Both scary and exciting, we were ready to take on this new culture in the way we knew best, which meant we were going to eat and drink our way across the city. Welcome to Cartagena, Colombia.
Thank you.
Be safe. Don't let her get kidnapped by pimps.
Can't tell me how to live my life.
Goodbye. Don't get kidnapped by pimps. She can be a hooker. She can't get kidnapped by pimps.
They dropped me back off.
Well, yeah. You know,
like,
bitey.
this one's too loud and bitey.
And then we're gonna be at 90-some degrees.
It's supposed to be like the same temperature that it was in Bali. I might actually die. So we are through security, getting ready to head to Colombia for a 6-day trip this time. It's just gonna be a short, sweet, get in, get out, rough and dirty. But now I think we need to get some breakfast because I'm starving and I can't handle. Get some gravy. So we board in an hour. This entire day is supposed to be just under 15 hours of travel, which is wild to me because we have 4 flights that we have to take. It just doesn't seem like you can compress that many flights into 15 hours. This trip is ticking off one of the things on my to-do list this year, which is to visit a new continent. And I'm really excited about that. Morning. Good morning. Okay, flight number 1, Billings to Denver. Here we go.
Somebody's probably gonna be in me.
Yeah, probably. More than likely. I didn't want to sit next to you anyway. You smell.
I was gonna say, are you gonna have to pee a lot?
Oh, probably.
Do you want to sweat?
Thankfully, we're so close to the bathroom. Beautiful, beautiful. Just on time. It'll be perfect. Row 21. I get the feeling that this is going to be a really big plane because we have 2 doors to get in here and this handsome man in front of me. It's a very full flight. We had to go into the back to get our bag. But now we're in Houston. We fly out of C2. And apparently there's a United Lounge at C1. We're gonna go back to the lounge. I think we have an hour and 15 here. So in 2013, we flew out of this gate. It was my very first trip out of the country. We were going to Costa Rica and we wandered around this airport in the middle of the night. So for so many hours. Because it was cold and we couldn't sleep. It was miserable. It was an 8-hour layover. Oh, never again. We're snarfing down some food because in 20 minutes we get on our flight to Panama City, which is like 4 hours. These have been short layovers. Let's go to Panama. Our fearless vessel. That was cool. I didn't even have to show my boarding pass or my passport. It was just facial recognition. It's amazing. Maybe we fly too much. No. Okay.
With these overhead bins, they are a little bit bigger, so please make sure you're turning your back.
Trying to think of what I need to do.
Also, if you are sitting at a bulkhead seat, meaning that there's a wall in front of you,
Lotion. That's what I need to do.
Your first items are stored in the overhead bin.
I'm trying to talk Roy into, because, oh God, we're going to be here in Cartagena. I'm trying to talk him into coming over here and then hiking into Panama. He does not think this is a super awesome idea. Apparently it's a 20-minute hike from Sapuza or some S word in Colombia. And you hike into La Miel in Panama, and there's just a guard that just hangs out in the middle of just nowhere, I guess, according to my guidebook. I think it sounds like fun.
welcome to Panama City. Thank you for choosing United Airlines. Local time 7:31 p.m.
I'm not sure if we have to collect our bags.
Yeah. No, we
No? Are you sure?
for sure.
It's an adventure. Ooh, it's sweaty here. Holy moly, it's humid. And we are officially in Panama. We've gone maybe 200 meters, maybe. And we found a Popeyes, a Krispy Kreme, and a Starbucks. I'm so excited to see what we find next. Why, thank you. We came to the lounge here. Whoops. And the AC is out, which she warned us down at check-in. And we said, oh, we're fine, it's fine. It's so hot. But the food's okay. One quick game of cribs in Colombia. Okay, last one. We're getting on now. It's about an hour, just over an hour to Cartagena, and then, yeah.
An hour for boarding and then an hour to Cartagena.
Yeah, we've got a few more hours left in the trip. So we're getting there, slowly but surely.
Might have the wrong place.
And there's our view. And there's my view.
Bienvenidos a Cartagena. Hora local 10:38 p.m.
Thank you. Goodbye. Oh. See you on a new continent.
Right?
We have made it to our apartment. I'll give you a tour tomorrow. I'm too tired. I'm too hungry. All of it to give a tour tonight. So, give you a tour tomorrow. Good night. Right? See.
Huzzah.
Huzzah.
Or you can have a tour because it's like there.
We'll give a tour tomorrow.